Hello and welcome to this video. If you feel stuck learning English, this video is just for you. Maybe you understand English words, but when it's time to speak, you feel nervous or go blank. You are not alone, my friend. Every learner starts with fear, but you can break through it. In this video, I'll give you 10 powerful proven tips that help thousands speak better. Watch till the end and speak with me. These tips are simple and real. They will help you too. Tip 1. Speak every single day. Talk to yourself out loud. Even 5 minutes is enough. Say things like, I'm brushing now. I am going to school. Just speak. Don't wait to be perfect. Tip 2. Use I in your sentences. I want to learn English. I feel shy, but I try. When you say I, you connect. It becomes personal and strong. It sticks in your memory. Tip 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Don't say understand only. Say I don't understand you. Phrases help you speak faster. They build rhythm in speech and reduce grammar mistakes. Tip 4. Listen with emotion. Watch English movies or podcasts. Feel what the speaker says. When you feel the language, your brain remembers more deeply. Repeat their voice with feeling. Tip 5. Be proud to make mistakes. Yes, proud, not scared. Mistakes mean you're growing. If you never make mistakes, you're not learning, just hiding. Speak wrong, smile, try again. Tip 6. Change your phone to English. Open settings in English daily. Search in English. Read in English. Your brain gets used to it. It stops feeling foreign or hard. It becomes part of life. Tip 7. Learn 5 words every day. Not 50, not 100, just 5. Use them in your own sentence. Example, learn grateful today. Say, I'm grateful to life what I have. And say, I'm grateful for this tips. Say it aloud, mean it. Tip 8. Record your voice speaking. Say what you did today. Listen to how you sound. It may feel strange at first, but you'll hear real progress. You'll fix small mistakes faster. Tip 9. Practice like a story. Say your day in 3 steps. I woke up. I felt cold. Stories are how we remember. Not boring grammar rules, but real-life experience. Tip 10. Surround yourself with English labels on your walls. English music or audiobooks. Don't just study English. Live with English around you. Let it become your world. Motivation time. Listen closely. Some days you'll feel stuck. That's okay. We all do. Even native speakers forget words. Even teachers make mistakes. Be kind to yourself always. Learning is not a race. Not about being fast, it's about being brave. Every word you speak today is a step toward fluency. You are getting better, so please don't give up. Speak today, even a little tomorrow, speak a little more. Let's review the 10 tips. 1. Speak every day. 2. Use I in sentences. 3. Learn phrases, not words. 4. Listen emotionally. 5. Make mistakes proudly. 6. Use phone in English. 7. Learn 5 words a day. 8. Record your voice. 9. Practice like a story. 10. Surround yourself with English. Now choose one tip today. Which tip will you start now? Type it in the comments. Make your learning real. Your first sentences will feel strange. Your voice may shake. But that's how all speakers begin. Speak to yourself while walking. I see a dog. The sky is blue. Turn life into your classroom. Don't chase perfection. Chase real progress. Even broken English moves you forward. Every shy sentence you whisper is a loud victory for your growth. Be proud of those soft steps. Learn from daily life. Look at signs, packets, buttons. English is everywhere. Notice it. Talk to your future self. I didn't give up. I kept practicing. And it worked. You don't need to impress anyone. You just need to express yourself. Start with your heart, not grammar. Sing in English, even softly. Music trains your tongue. Enjoy the rhythm, enjoy the language. Learning English is not a test. It's your voice, your world, and your key to new stories. You may feel slow today, but slow is not a problem. Stopping is. So don't stop. Your accent is not wrong. It's part of your story. English belongs to everyone. Everyone can become fluent in English. Even one sentence a day makes you better than yesterday. You're already improving. Keep going, no matter what. Someone out there needs your voice, and you're learning to give it. Let English become your friend. Let your voice grow strong, one beautiful word at a time. Yes, say this out loud. I believe in myself. Trust the process. It will be happen in one day. This is your journey now, and I'll be here. Every step to help you speak with confidence. Just do it and practice it. Thank you for watching this video. Now go speak something. Right now.